Just for the understanding, how would you discriminate between regret and true repentance?
Regret is a non-emotional state. So you end up just feeling morose every day, just feeling morose. It's sort of very similar to sadness that's not grief. You just feel sad every day, but no change happens. So these kind of feelings are showing you that you're not yet processing something. And also you can stay in them for quite long periods of time. Sometimes I've seen some people stay in them hundreds of years of time. So you can stay in feelings that are not actually processing, but actually are they're quite stagnant periods, and they're not actually processing anything emotionally because you're not yet brave enough to actually go to the gut-wrenching emotion of it yet. But you just feel, sad all the time, or in his case, he felt periods where he, and some of it, like he mentioned, regret, but sometimes he had it for 20 years, regret.
Yeah.
Before he felt something.
What I felt from him is like, he'd be crying, like, I wish I didn't do it. I wish I didn't do it. And then he realized, no, I did do it. And I have to feel.
And I got to feel why.
Why I did it, and that I did it, and that it harmed people. It's sort of the difference between sort of wishing you didn't, and you can even cry. He said he was crying in that place, but it wasn't the release of acknowledging that he had, and that it was
taking
pain.
responsibility.
It wasn't true repentance about the act.
Yeah.
It was just regretting that you performed the act. But that's not the same as realizing all the consequences of the act on yourself and others, and
Yeah.